land park.
5.25
Yes.
acres. Okay.
Out of 400 exclusive condominium we have planned, the whole project has divided into two parts.
Right.
Phase 1 and phase 2.
Right.
Phase 1 is our ready to move in.
Right.
So there are three towers falls under the phase 1. This is tower number 2. This is the SB2 and SB1.
So which one's ready?
These three.
These three are completely
Yes,
ready and ready to
completely,
move
yeah,
in
and we have
and
received the
possession.
Yes.
Okay, so we've received CC as well.
Yes.
Okay.
We have received the OC.
OC.
And this is the phase 2, the Prima tower.
Okay. So this is for what? What is the difference between this and this that is going to
Basically,
be?
this is under construction. This is ready to move in.
But it'll be same.
It will be same.
Okay.
The difference will be a little bit the specification.
Okay.
Like here we are providing you the bare shell apartment. These are the fully furnished apartment.
Okay. So in fully furnished, what all do we get?
You'll get complete marble flooring, complete woodwork, complete appliances, except furniture. You get everything.
Everything.
Yes.
So it's just like ready to move in with your
Yes,
furniture.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
And
yes.
in this is bare shell,
This is the bare shell
and
apartment.
customer can do it according to their
Yes,
needs.
yes.
Okay.
We are finishing apartment.
All right.
We charge for that, and
Right.
customer has the option to go outside also.
Okay.
We have the tie-up with the homeland.
Right.
So
Right.
they can get the quotation from the
So
homeland.
as far as I can see the project, that seems to be a huge swimming pool.
Yes, the amoeba shaped swimming pool is there,
Okay.
and then you have this live street, water bodies, amphitheater.
Okay.
You have the lawn, court,
Lawn, okay.
lawn tennis court,
Court.
basketball court. You have the jogging track, walking track.
Jogging track, walking track. There's a basketball court and a separate badminton sort of, or a lawn
Yes,
tennis
lawn
court.
tennis
Lawn
court.
tennis court.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
And we have the jogging track.
Okay. So this is the entire jogging
Yes,
track.
and this is your juice corner, juice
All right.
bar even.
Juice bar.
Yes.
Excellent. So this all these services will be what? Payable, or what is it
No,
like?
no, it's the part of your maintenance.
Part of your maintenance,
Yes,
and
part.
all be inclusive inside whatever
Yes.
maintenance you're paying to the company.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
absolutely.
So
Okay.
basically, when
So
we
the maintenance the clients are paying is monthly, or is
monthly.
monthly?
Yes.
Okay, monthly. And what should be the approximate cost?
Cost it will be around 4 rupees per square feet.
Okay, 4 rupees per square feet is
Yes.
maintenance that they have to
Yes,
give. All
yes,
right, fine.
yes.
So let's turn around and see from हम main road से आए थे, and you showed us the entry that you were saying
Right.
that
You came
So,
from this way.
we came
Here's
from
the
this
red
way.
line.
Yeah. And
You
we
took the
U-turn.
Then you have to come from this way.
Correct.
So this will be the entry gate.
Right. So
Then there are three towers: SB2, SB1, and phase 1.
right.
Okay.
Right.
So this I'll start with tower number 2.
Okay.
So tower number 2 total height is 29,
All right.
and on 20th floor we have this service floor, the utility
Okay.
floor.
Okay.
So each floor having the 4 apartment. 2 apartment that is facing towards your just Asola Green. That
Right.
is your 4-bedroom apartment,
Right.
and 2 units which are facing the Noida Skyline. These are 3-bedroom apartment.
Okay.
So 4-bedroom size is around 38-50 square feet. We have 4 bedrooms.
So 4 bedrooms are towards the front,
Yes.
and 3-bedroom apartment sizes towards the back side.
Yes.
All
3
right.
bedroom size is around 38-50 square feet, and 3-bedroom, 3 washroom.
Okay.
So this is for the tower number 2.
Okay.
So now SB1 and SB2, these are the identical tower.
All
The
right.
height is here is 15, 19, and 23.
So 15 is the lowest.
Yes.
19
Yes.
and 23
Right.
is that one.
Yeah. And the
All
highest
right.
one is 29, and here is the 36.
29 and 36. Okay. Great.
So in these towers on the back side, like these are Noida facing.
Right.
Here we have placed a 2-bedroom apartment.
Okay.
2-bedroom, 2 toilet. These
Right.
are 100% sold out.
Okay.
So we don't have single inventory in 2-bedroom. But if you talk about the front side, here
Right.
we have the 2250 square feet. That is your compact 3-bedroom, 2 toilet.
Okay.
In this size, we have that inventory.
Okay.
So we are selling this.
So the inventories that we have available is a compact size of 3-bedroom with 2 washroom.
Yes.
2 bedrooms are completely sold out,
Right.
and then we have 3 bedrooms and
Yes.
4 bedrooms.
Perfect.
Fine. So that's what is available for all our clients. Okay. So
Now comes to the Prima Tower. Prima
Right.
Tower is it comes in the phase 2 and is the tallest tower of the South Delhi.
okay.
So here,
Tallest tower of South Delhi so far. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here on ground floor and first floor we have the shops. Shops we have not started selling yet.
Okay.
So we then from second to
So do we invite customers for the shops right
No,
now?
we are right now we are
not selling.
Right.
Okay.
When we will start selling, we'll definitely inform you.
Right.
From third to seventh, we have the office space.
Okay.
Office space is 100% sold out.
Okay.
Then from 8 to 36, we have the apartment. Again, on 20 floor, we have the service floor.
Right.
So again, it has the two sides facing. One is your Lotus Temple facing. One is your Green side facing.
Right.
So in this Lotus Temple facing, we have 3 units per floor. This the corner one is 1 bedroom.
Right.
Then 2 bedroom, 2 apartment.
Okay.
These are again sold out.
Okay.
So here we are not talking about 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. It is sold out.
Okay. So all of this is also sold out completely. Okay.
On front side, if you see this car facing unit,
Right.
here 2 units per floor. The size is 2350 square feet.
Okay, so these two units park facing,
Yes.
2350 approximately
Yes, that is
size.
proper 3 bedroom, 3 washroom.
3 bedroom, 3 washroom.
So we have sold up to this 20th floor. We have not opened this unit.
Okay.
From 21st to 36th. We are
Okay.
about to launch this unit.
All right. Okay.
But here we have inventory on 9th floor or 11th floor.
Okay.
There are 2 units are left.
Very
here.
few units left on
Yes.
this particular
So
inventory.
if someone is looking for under construction, we have the option for the Prima. If someone is looking for ready to move in, so we have this.
But this the difference is that this is bare shell and that is completely
Yes.
ready. So
Yes.
ये बहुत बड़ा difference है.
Yes.
Right. So
in comparison with your floor area,
right.
So what we have done uniquely over here, like the main problem, the in floor you are facing the parking problem.
Right.
So for the 400 apartment, we have planned here 1500 car parking.
Correct.
So there are 3 basements we have planned, basement 3, basement
so approximately 2. Each apartment gets how many car parkings?
Like if you are having the 4 bedroom, then we are providing the 3 bedroom, 3 apartment,
2 bedroom, 2 cars. Perfect. Very good. Fantastic. So we have as many bedrooms and as many car parkings available in the whole apartment area itself. So you have no hassle of the car parking at all. Correct.
One very unique feature we have implemented over here. You can see these points.
Right.
These are your MAPA filter. This is a magnetic filterless fresh air system. So
okay.
What we have done, this is for the coming with this pollution part.
Right.
So this is 6 feet tall MAPA filter. It has the 4 level of filtration. Like it sucks your bad air and it refines the purify your air.
All these green dots that we have right here, the green lights are filters for pollution that have been 6 feet in height derived in order to protect the entire area.
Right.
To maintain the AQI
yes, so
basically.
It will maintain your AQI, it will maintain your PM 2.5 and PM 10.
Excellent.
Outside of the fund, like if you are jogging over here, if you are swimming, if you are playing, you are getting the fresh air over here.
Right.
And inside the apartment, these all units are your centralized AC1.
Right.
And for the pollution part, we are providing the CTFA filter.
Okay.
That will again do the same part.
Same part.
It is inside the unit, it is outside.
Outside the unit. Excellent.
The third part, like if you compare with the floor, people are having like floor of 9 floor, 10 floor, but they don't have lifestyle.
Right.
So what we have done the club area here.
Okay.
Around 40,000 square feet club we are
deriving
over here.
So
it has an international tie-up with the brands. Like if you talk about the gymnasium, we have the tie-up with the Romana Braganza.
Okay.
We have the spa and salon with the tie-up with the L. L is the Paris-based brand. And this concierge services, we are providing the quintessentially concierge services.
Okay. So we have a concierge, we have a gym, we have already a tie-up of the entire area. Okay, so what all is there in the club jo aap de rahe hain 40,000 square feet mein?
In club, we have like a bar, we have like restaurant, we have a spa, we have saloon, we have the crèche, we have the kids playing zone, we have the open restaurant. All the amenities we are providing inside there.
Okay, so there are multiple restaurants, good cuisines that you will get in those restaurants.
Okay. And the fourth most major important part is your safety and security purpose.
Right.
Like we have one outdoor security part, we have your periphery security part, we have your tower security part, we have your tower entrance lobby security part, and you have the house security part. We are providing the digital lock.
Okay. Okay.
So there are 4 high security.
So highly, of course, for the brand like this, we expect a lot of security maintenance already. Yes, absolutely. So fine. Thank you very much for the brief, and we'll be back soon for whatever appointments or visits. Of course, you can contact us on the number flashing below. This is Alisha Khanna getting you high-rise apartments in South Delhi, one of the most premium locations, and as you can see, it's one of the most premium brand. For further details about the brand and anything else, you can contact me. Thank you so much. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep giving a thumbs up, and I'll keep on back with more such meaningful videos for all of you. Thank you.
Now we are going to the actual apartment.